Hi, I'm Felicia Irawan from Widya Mandala Katolik University Surabaya, and today I'm going to give a motivational speech related to SDG Goal 13, which is climate action, and will be focused on climate change. Well, I hope you enjoy this video, and my speech will start in 3, 2, 1. The world is not doing well. The earth we live in is aging and shows its weak side. The sky that protects us from the sun begins to thin and show its fragile side. Hi, I'm Felicia Irawan, Mahasiswa Berprestasi from Widya Mandala Katolik University Surabaya. And now, I want to invite you to start thinking about the real condition of our beloved Earth. Well, have you ever thought why does that event that I mentioned in the beginning is happening? It is happening because climate change is getting worse. Have you realized that our dry and rainy seasons are starting to fall apart? And that our sky is getting foggy more often? Well, if you haven't, then you need to pay more attention because the climate in Indonesia is getting chaotic. The sky is getting foggy more often, especially in Surabaya where I live, because I saw it myself a few days ago. Ah, and the ice layer in the last ice area at North Pole is starting to melt. So terrible. And all of these terrible events are happening because climate change is getting worse. But what is climate change? It is a significant change in air temperature and rainfall ranging from decades to millions of years. And it occurs due to increasing concentrations of carbon dioxide gas and other gases in the atmosphere that cause the greenhouse gas effect. Well, this increasing occurs due to various human activities, such as fossil fuel emissions, land use change, waste, and industrial activities. Wow! So, shouldn't we, as human beings, feel guilty for the damage made to our beloved Earth? And it is interesting to note that Earth has improved since the beginning of COVID-19 pandemic. Why? Of course, because of the absence of these evil human activities. And this is a warning for us. Earth is fine without us, but we are not fine without Earth. Therefore, I, Felicia Irawan, want to invite you to be more environmentally literate. Let's together build a better and more hospitable Earth, not for future generations, not for others, but for ourselves. Because if you know, climate change has serious effects on water, weather, food, air, and especially human health. It should also be noted that Indonesia is the 10th largest greenhouse gas emitter in the world. So come on, Indonesians, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, relatives, and all of my friends, please don't be indifferent anymore. We can begin with ourselves because all of this is for our own good. But what can we do as individuals? People, let me give you an example. First, we can try slowly replace the use of fossil fuel emissions with renewable energy. Second, please do not litter. Fine. Third, we can participate in plastic waste recycling activities. So donate your plastic to be recycled, okay? And as a nation's golden generation, we can apply our knowledge and expertise to help create a healthier environment. For example, we accountants can do carbon accounting. See, there are many things we can do ourselves. We just need to cultivate a sense of care for our own planet. So, let's begin with ourselves and spread our good habits to the world. Because I'm a change maker. Before I close this speech, I want to say a quote from Jeffrey Sage. Sustainability can only be achieved if all parties is participating in the no one left behind approach. It feels so nice to be here, but I have something to tell you. That's all for today. Thank you and see you.